Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to the channel. I am truly happy that you are here today. Thank you for giving me your time, your trust, and your attention. Today, we are talking about a problem that almost every English learner faces. Maybe you face it too. You understand English. You know many words. But when you try to speak, your mind becomes slow. You start thinking in your own language first. Then you try to translate it into English. And finally, you speak. This whole process feels heavy. It takes time. It creates fear. And it steals your confidence. But here's the beautiful news. You can stop translating in your head. And you can speak English naturally. Yes, you can. And today, I will show you the simple way. So relax, sit comfortably, and enjoy this video. Let's learn together. Why we translate in our head. We translate because we learned English like a school subject. We memorized grammar, rules, and long answers. But we didn't practice real, natural English. So, the brain does the only thing it knows. It thinks in your language, it translates, it creates English. But this is slow and stressful. You don't need this process. Your brain can think directly in English. You just need the right habits. 2. Think in small, easy English. Don't try to think big sentences. Big sentences create fear. Small sentences create confidence. Try simple thoughts like, this place feels calm. The day seems busy. I need a break. Let's get started. These are natural sentences that help your brain use English directly. No translation needed. 3. Use English in real-life moments. English becomes easier when you connect it with daily life. For example, when you're walking, think, the weather looks beautiful today. When you're cooking, think, the smell is nice. When you're working, think, I want to focus. These small sentences make English friendly and familiar. 4. Don't push yourself too hard. Many learners become frustrated. They want to speak perfectly. They want to remember every word. They want to sound advanced. But perfection creates pressure. Pressure creates fear. Fear stops you from speaking. Instead, choose comfort. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Use easy expressions. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is natural English. 5. Practice soft self-talk. Self-talk is one of the most powerful tools. You can talk to yourself when you're alone, or even silently in your mind. Try sentences like, I can do this. Let me try again. This feels interesting. I learned something new today. These sentences feel soft, friendly, and natural. They build confidence and fluency. 6. Learn useful everyday phrases. Instead of memorizing long vocabulary lists, learn simple phrases that people use all the time. Like, "That's okay," "No worries," "Take your time," "Let me check," "Sounds good." When you know phrases, speaking becomes fast and easy. Your brain doesn't need to translate. These small phrases become your natural tools for daily conversations. The more you repeat them, the more comfortable and confident you feel. 7. Listen to simple English every day. Listening is the key to thinking in English. When you listen daily, your brain starts copying the sound and style of real English. You don't need long lessons. Just 10 minutes a day is enough. You can listen to easy stories, simple conversations, motivational English, English learning channels, slow English videos. Your brain will slowly shift from translation to natural understanding. Listening also improves your pronunciation without any effort. Over time, you will understand English faster, even when the speaker talks quickly. 8. Make English a small part of your day. You don't need to study for hours. Just connect English with your daily life. While cooking, listening to English. While traveling, thinking in English. Before sleeping, reading a little English. After waking up, speaking a few sentences. These small habits create magic. English becomes part of you when you use it naturally throughout the day. You will start enjoying the language instead of feeling stressed about it. 9. Be kind to yourself. You are learning a new language. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes love. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't judge your mistakes. Don't call yourself weak or slow. Every learner grows at their own speed. And you are growing too, every single day. Give yourself the same kindness you would give to a friend. Every mistake you make today becomes a strength for tomorrow. 10. Enjoy the journey. English is not a burden. It is a skill that opens doors. It helps you make friends. It helps you travel. It helps you reach your goals. So enjoy the process. Smile while learning. Celebrate small improvements. Be proud of every step. Slowly, English will become natural. Slowly, the translation in your mind will disappear. Slowly, you will speak with ease and confidence. The journey may be long, but every moment brings you closer to fluency. Enjoy each small success because it shows your dedication and hard work. Final message for my dear viewers. My friends, you have the ability to speak beautiful English. You have the confidence inside you. You have the strength to improve every day. You are not alone in this journey. I am here with you, and I believe in you, truly. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep smiling. Your natural English is waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay confident, and stay connected. Remember, Your English journey is not just about language. It is about growth. Keep moving forward, and the results will surprise you.